Now blue is not in her.
Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a really quick wig that I want to share with you guys. This wig I ended up picking up from one of my beauty supply stores here in town. Every now and again I go out and I'll pass a beauty supply store and I'll stop and see what they have. And this time I found a really cute wig that I thought was cute. Nothing special, but I love the color. So let's get into the review. Today, this wig comes from Motown Tress, and it's lace wig. It has a deep part, and it is heat safe. And the name of the wig, is LDP Lizie. And that's the care card. This is the box. So I haven't even opened it. Actually, they had it on the model when I was walking in the store, and I was like, ooh, that's pretty. I love that color. So again, here is the care card. And it says that it's heat safe up to 400 degrees. So that's pretty nice. And it says that it has a 4-inch wide part. So it looks like back and across. Not really sure there. And it has ear tabs. So let's get into it. Let's actually see. I want you to see why I fell in love with this wig in the first place. Now look at that color. Girlfriends, oh my gosh. This color is everything. So, the wig, when I felt it, I was like, this feels so good. So it's gonna be another must have. I'm just pretty sure. Even if you don't like the color, as I always say, it's gonna be another must have in a natural color. Now the lace is stretchy and it's soft. You get 2 combs perfectly spaced right here on the sides. And you get a comb in the back and you get the adjustable straps like normal. So the cap is just normal. But I love the dark rooting on here. So this here is like a curl plus a wave. So the bottom of it is absolutely gorgeous. Like absolutely gorgeous. You get a couple colors in here. It looks like you get purple, white, pink, and then a lilac purple. So let me cut the lace off of this and let's get it on and let's see how she looks. And the color that I have this wig in is MF1B Ariel. So that's the color that it's actually in that I have. And also, let me mention, it has baby hairs. Now, I like the way they have theirs because look how short they are. They're very short. See that? So, anyway, let me get it on because I'm like so excited. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the wig on. And I think I'm going to sit down because I want you to be able to see the parting area. So here is the parting area. Amazing. Like, okay, I'm in love again. See, I know a good wig when I see one. So that's why as soon as I put it on, I'm like, okay, life has been had. So I'm going to cut the lace off. Let me pull this down. And again, I like it because it's got the dark rooting. So if I want, I can just take my edges out. I don't even have to use, the baby hair or anything. Now my hair isn't that flat. So I'm probably going to do it to the side, and looks like she has hers. Well, no, she has it to the side, but looks like you could do a side part or you could do it in the middle. I'm probably going to do the side. So let me get my scissors and let's cut this. I so hope you guys are like having a good day, and I hope you've had a great summer. I have. It still feels like it's summer because it's so flipping hot. All right, so I'm going to cut the lace off. final look for Miss Lizzie. She definitely has an older lady's name, but she definitely is a young girl's hairstyle. Now let's get into this wig. I really love the color. As I mentioned earlier on, that this color pretty much caught my eye when I walked into the beauty supply store. I liked it how it was blended. It's purple, but it's not like too much purple. I know some people are like, girl, it's a lot of purple, but it's really not when you're up on it. And I think to me, it's not so bad because of the dark rooting that you get in here is really nice. I didn't put anything like powder or anything in the parting area, and I guess I could put a little bit there maybe to bring it out a little bit more. Let's see how that would look just on the tip here. Most of the time I like to add the powder underneath, but just on the tip there. But otherwise, I think it's a really cute unit. As you can see, this is the length of it. I'm gonna try to give you a 360. That's this side, and here is the back. And then this side. It's a cute everyday wig if you get it in another color, or for me, in this color. I like the cap construction. I did have to put the adjustable straps on the last opening, or the last one, so I guess I can say it is big head friendly. Now my hair isn't braided down really well. I think I had like 6 braids, and you guys know my hair is out of control, so I only have like 6 braids in my hair, so it's still kind of like poofy back here in the back, so I think that kind of pulls it back a little bit. But other than that, it's a cute unit. I think that the color of it, the texture, all that makes a really good unit. And the curl is more like a curl wave, so that makes it not too poofy. I think that gives it, you know, like a natural look and a natural density. Now, as far as shedding is concerned, I don't know. I cut the lace off, but I really haven't like played with it enough to say if it sheds or not. I'm sure it does what it normally would. I mean, I got a few strands, so I don't think it's anything too crazy. Now, I didn't put it in the middle. For those of you ladies that like a middle part, you could shift it and put it in the middle. I think it'd be perfect in the middle. I'm not a middle part girl, so I end up just putting it a little off center here. And since it had the dark rooting around, I did take out just like a little bit of my edges. So all in all, I think it's a really, really cute unit. It's really nice. I think I'm going to wear it for the rest of the day and, you know, just see how it does. It's going to be, fall is supposed to come sometime. So we'll see how that happens, because it's been real hot outside, and a lot of people are like, I don't want to wear long hair when it's hot. So it's not thick though. It's thin enough to wear in the heat where you wouldn't, to me, be too bothered by it. So if you ladies are interested in this wig, I will leave a couple links. I bought it here in town, so I'll have to find some links to this hair. I'm sure there are links to get it, and probably at a better price than what I got this wig for. I will leave all the information on purchasing in the description box below. If you have not, please subscribe to the channel, and if you like so, hit the bell next to the subscription button, and you will be notified every single time I upload a video. And as you know by now, if you decide to share this video on any of your social media, do not forget to tag me in it. My name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies in my next video. Bye.